Talk for Studio.
What you got in your hand? What you doing?
I am sitting here looking at my new phone and everything. I got the camera on it. It's got a real good picture quality on it, but I'm trying to figure out the basics of the uses and on it. You know, I could bring a screen in, I could bring a screen out. You know, it's just basically I'm just learning how to use it. I hope I don't sound like Darth Vader still.
That part won't change.
Oh, well.
No. And we're also recording an input. Senior detection is on. Okay.
Well, he is up pretty close.
And we got. No, we're up for 1 minute now.
Oh, 1 minute.
What's that?
Oh, that's I got email. That's my email coming in.
It's got a dome.
A dong.
And you got a text, you get a chime.
I'm sitting. I still haven't figured all the bells and whistles on this thing yet. That's why I said I need to read the book.